Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated electric chisels. If you need something that can do the work of a normal hammer and chisel but with a lot less effort and increased efficiency, consider investing in an electric chisel. An electric chisel will help you deliver smooth, controlled, and continuous carving with perfect depth. Since we aren't all experts when it comes to electric chisels, you may find it a bit challenging to look for the ideal one. Don't fret though, because we are here to help. In this video, our team has prepared for you a list of the 7 highest rated electric chisels on the market. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric chisels that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first electric chisel on our list is the VIVOHOME Electric Demolition Jackhammer and Chisel. This 2,200 watt powerful heavy-duty jackhammer has a full load impact rate of 1,400 per minute and a spinning speed of 3,000 rotations per minute. This allows it to work for a variety of purposes, such as breaking concrete, chipping off concrete, driving piles, and more. The set also includes a highly durable steel case, keeping the electric chisel safe and secure. In terms of size, the chisel measures 29.1 by 11.4 by 6.3 inches and weighs 43.6 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VIVOHOME Electric Demolition Jackhammer and Chisel a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 360-degree rotating front handle. This allows for a convenient all-around operation that ensures the most comfortable demolition angles as you work. Smooth operation. The D-shaped rear grip absorbs vibrations and offers double the security, while its retainer buckling keeps the chisels from dropping. Safety features. The highly durable shell with insulation ensures stable and safe service, while its heat radiator enhances heat dissipation and keeps the temperature to a minimum. Numerous inclusions. The set comes with protective equipment that allows you to work safely and efficiently. It also has 1 flathead chisel and 1 bull-point chisel for a variety of construction purposes. Keeping all that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: be sure to check the tightness of the screws before you work. Be sure to warm it up for 5 minutes when it is used at low temperatures or if it has been after a long idle time. The second electric chisel on our list is the TOTOOL Electric Jackhammer with Bull-Point Flat Chisel. The TOTOOL is a 3,600 watt electric demolition jackhammer that is constructed with high-quality industrial-grade materials that deliver maximum strength and durability. This set includes replacement chisels, a flat bit chisel, and a point chisel for a variety of construction demands. To support its robust power, the chisel is made with heavy-duty metal construction that delivers solid durability and corrosion resistance. As for the size, the chisel measures 28 by 12 by 7 inches and weighs 41.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the TOTOOL Electric Jackhammer with Bull-Point Flat Chisel a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 360-degree rotary handle. The 360-degree handle allows you to cater to different positions under various circumstances, allowing for ease of use. Vibration absorption feature. The slip-proof rubbery handle significantly enhances friction, while the special D-shaped handle absorbs vibration for complete control and maximum comfort. Convenient features. The trigger and lock button allow you to securely control the unit's speed, while its oil port ensures easy maintenance. Innovative cooling system. The cooling holes effectively dissipate heat and enhance the electric chisel's long lifespan. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is: it does not come with a carrying case. The third electric chisel on our list is the VEVOR Electric Demolition Jackhammer and Chisel. The VEVOR delivers remarkable demolition performance with an impact rate of 1,400 per minute and a motor power of 2,200 watts. This allows you to easily break through concrete, brick, ground, and earth. With heavy-duty metal construction, it offers high durability and stability, allowing it to take on various construction tasks with ease. In terms of size, the electric chisel measures 35 by 10 by 7 inches and weighs 44 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR Electric Demolition Jackhammer and Chisel a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 4 replaceable chisels. Included in the set are a clay spade chisel, scraping chisel, flat chisel, and pointed chisel for various construction needs. These chisels are forged from premium heat-treated alloy steel, while the hexagonal chunk features quick assembly and disassembly. 360-degree rotary ergonomic handle. The 360-degree swiveling auxiliary handle, along with its non-slip grip, delivers maximum control and support. This also allows for easy adjustments on the positions needed for various job requirements. Easy maintenance. The visible oil port ensures easy maintenance of the machine, while its cooling system effectively dissipates heat for maximum safety. Optimum control. The trigger and lock button are located at an optimal position for easy access. They also allow maximum speed control and safety. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't come with any instructions, so it would be best to do some online research on how to set it up and use it. The fourth electric chisel on our list is the VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer Concrete Breaker Chisel. This 1,100-watt electric demolition jackhammer features heavy-duty construction with an industrial grade for high durability. With up to 1,200 impact beats per minute, this jackhammer easily breaks through brick, ground, concrete, and earth, which makes it capable of tackling a wide variety of construction projects. In terms of size, the electric chisel measures 28 by 12.2 by 7.5 inches and weighs 36 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer Concrete Breaker Chisel a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy control. The D-shaped rear handle is covered by rubber, which reduces vibration and fatigue. Its trigger and lock buttons also make speed control easy and secure. Effective cooling system. The jackhammer features a blow and vent system that effectively dissipates heat and ensures long-lasting use. 3 replaceable chisels. 3 chisels are included in the package and are all forged from premium heat-treated alloy steel. 360-degree ergonomic handle. The swiveling handle with a non-slip rubber grip allows maximum control and support, making it easy to adjust the machine based on the positions needed for various tasks. Easy maintenance. The viewable oil port ensures timely and precise oil filling. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't come with an extension tool and it only allows you to dig as deep as 13.78 inches. The fifth electric chisel on our list is the YUCHENGTECH electric chisel. This electric wood chisel is a brilliant alternative to traditional wood hand carving. It delivers ultra-high speed and micro vibrations up to 10,000 times per minute. This makes it ideal for novices, students, and professionals alike. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the YUCHENGTECH electric chisel a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Highly durable. The chisel's shell is solid with excellent thermal efficiency. 5 included blades. The chisel comes with 5 various blades made for a variety of wood chiseling tasks. Speed control knob. This allows you to conveniently control the operation speed. Cooling vents. This ensures that the chisel will not overheat during operation, leading to an enhanced lifespan. Upgraded carbon brush. This ensures a long service life by reducing wear on the commutator as well as optimal transfer for electricity from outside the motor to the center. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't include instructions, so we suggest doing a bit of online research. The sixth electric chisel on our list is the XtremepowerUS Jackhammer Concrete Breaker and Chisel. This 3,600-watt jackhammer delivers 1,900 impacts per minute at 55 foot-pounds, allowing it to break the hardest surfaces. This makes it perfect for breaking concrete, asphalt, mortar, hard clay, rocks, bricks, and more. In terms of weight, the XtremepowerUS weighs a hefty 60 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the XtremepowerUS Jackhammer Concrete Breaker and Chisel a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Adjustable 360-degree foregrip. This allows for optimal control, enabling you to adjust it according to the position you need for the job. Vibration reduction features. The electric chisel is made with an active vibration control handle plus a flexible 2-handed design that significantly reduces vibrations. Numerous inclusions. The package includes 2-point or chisel bits, a pair of protective gloves, protective goggles, a protective mask, hex wrenches, and a carrying case. Home and commercial use. At 110 volts and 60 Hz, it is suitable for use at home and for business. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is quite heavy. But that means you'll only be exerting minimal force for your projects. The seventh electric chisel on our list is the Mophorn Electric Demolition Drill. This 2,200-watt electric hammer by Mophorn features heavy-duty construction for the most demanding tasks. Operating at 1,400 beats per minute, this electric chisel can be used for various construction jobs such as demolition, drainage, plumbing, interior decoration, and so much more. In terms of size, the Mophorn measures 28 by 12 by 7 inches and weighs 37.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Mophorn Electric Demolition Drill a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. 360-degree rotary and vibration-proof handle. The handle is designed to cater to various positions, while its slip-proof rubber handle greatly minimizes friction and absorbs vibration for optimal control. Replacement chisels. A flat chisel and a point chisel are included to meet the needs for a variety of construction jobs. In addition, they are both made from heat-treated alloy steel, which backs up their durability. Optimal control features. The special D-shaped handle absorbs vibration to minimize fatigue, while the trigger and lock buttons allow for secure control and speed. Easy maintenance. The oil port allows easy maintenance, while its cooling holes ensure that the heat generated inside the unit dissipates quickly. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the trigger switch is easily activated by accident, so be sure to have your hands clear of the area as you handle it. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated electric chisels, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next electric chisel roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.